I really wanted this to be the one. This is the Magnus multi-machine commercial power kit. You can see we've got power. It's been charged. This is supposed to be the all-in-one solution that you can use for power for your Triton, Xhorse, Autel, whatnot on the road. I bought three from three different suppliers, and I'm still batting zero. Let's talk about why they say this portable power is such a paperweight. Every supplier has a tagline: convert from wall power to portable in seconds. You know, it's marketed for us locksmiths. It's supposed to be real heavy hitter. Follow the rules. You know, I plugged it in, charged it overnight, seen the green light, everything looks right. Wrong. Just a waste of money. That's all this thing's turned into. Every one of them. Magnus, I don't know what's the matter with your power kit. I can sit there and plug in. It's not charged. I'll flip the switch on. I'll flip the switch off. Well, I'm batting for, you know, 3 across the board. I'll plug it in like I'm charging, and you can see it'll charge with power coming straight into it. Well, nope. Now I get to play the refund game, wait to see if I can get my money back, and I'll have to keep using the old reliable power sources I have. If you're thinking about picking up one of these, be careful. If I can't get a refund on this one, I'm thinking I'm gonna tear it apart and go through it and see if it's a board or bad batteries or battery cells, and see if we can get it working. Hey, if you found this warning helpful and want to avoid the same headache, hit that like button, subscribe to us on Locksmith for more honest reviews and professional automotive help. Don't let the sales pitch get you, and remember, let's be safe out there.